rin. Nahaharangan pa rin ng Messenger. So, nawawala ako sa aking pinanonood. So, Ma'am Nati, going to your channel na. And of course, Sir Panoy, going to your channel also. Sir Panoy, to your channel. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta. 7 people in the house. Thank you. And later I will watch Steven Bennett. Later. Videos tayo para mahaba. Habang walang tao, dito tayo sa mahahaba. Oo nga, kasi ng videos ni Ma'am Nati. Dito tayo, Ma'am Nati. 10 minutes. And of course, Sir Panoy, your videos. Ang iksi. Dito tayo sa 4 minutes, 5 minutes pala, may 5 minutes. Loneta. Dito tayo sa 5 minutes na Loneta. Thank you so much, Steven. Thank you so much. I am going to your channel also, Steven. Any new video? Any new video, my friend? So, all angels out now. Thank you so much. Yan, Ma'am Nati, harang to. Sir Panoy, bakit walang harang? Oh, no videos yet. No videos yet, Steven. Okay, here. November 7. November 7 for Steven. 2 people in the house. Thank you so much. My angels are already out to visit other people around. View from Timberland. Kristen. Wow, I think this is plantation, reforestation, because the trees were really aligned. You were aligned accordingly. Oh no, 0 people in the house. No more persons in the house. This is bad. Bad na to binigyan ako ng 0 ni Lolo Binigyan ako ng 0 ni Lolo. Bad talaga si Lolo. Napansin niyang lumabas yung aking mga angels? Yan. So, Steven, like done? Nawala na yung aking mga bisita. Wala na. So, ewan ko lang ano mangyayari dito. 13 minutes ago, wala na yung mga bisita ko.